Good morning, everyone. Forgive the lawn mower that you hear in the background. It's my community's lawn service. I'm going door to door cutting the lawns, and I have no control over that. What you're looking at is one of the original pepper bushes that I planted when I started growing 2-3 years ago. And here's another one. What I've decided to do after thinking about it over and over and over is to cut these down, since I have the ones in Pepper Row that are growing real well. So today I'm going to cut down one that is in the 5-gallon bucket that you see here, and over the course of a few days the original ones are going to disappear. This particular raised bed will be amended and gotten ready to be used for the fall, along with the 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so here are my finished results. Here before there were 4 pepper plants, and they've been cut and the roots removed. The brown paper, it's regular brown paper that you get from when you order stuff from Amazon's or wherever. I'm going to use it to cover and basically kill any remaining seeds or anything like that that are left in the soil. And then later on, when I get ready to plant my fall crops, I'm going to put more soil on top of it, along with some compost and amendments. The paper over time will break down and add nutrients to my bed, and I'll be doing the same thing to this 5-gallon bucket over here. Now, I've done this process before with my onions and bell pepper here, and as you can see, they look perfectly fine and they're doing very well. Okay, I'm going to side dress my onions with some ammonia sulfate, and this was ordered from Haas Tools. There's a link down in the comment section, and I'm going to dig a trench here. And I'm going to put fertilizer in the trench. Cover it back up. And I'm going to do it on this side here. Some more fertilizer. Cover it back up. Mash down. Okay, next row. all fertilized, and next I'm going to water it in, and then I'll be finished. Okay, all water in thoroughly and looking good. Okay, this is the container that I planted the little piece of ginger in. I amended the soil with, well, first of all, this is planting mix. I amended the soil with vermiculite, blood meal, and bone meal, and Nature's 855, and hopefully I will see it start to sprout soon, and we'll have some ginger. I'll check back periodically and let you know how the progress is going.